So far, we learned about how to create a table and how to manage the table. Okay, delete or uh, find and replace, these things we have been done. Now, one more application we have, that is nothing but we can create a form for a given table. For example, every time you don't want to come here and enter the data, you would like to enter the data through the form. Okay, if you like to enter the data through the form for this particular table, okay, then we have been selected a table here. We selected a table. Okay, once you selected a table on a left hand side, double click. So selected a table, go to create. Here we have a form option. Okay, here we have a form option. In create, select that form option. Form, it will be created. Okay, here it is created and it is in a layout view. Always remember that it is in a layout view. Now you can see here 7 records are there. We can see here. Okay, see here 7 records are there. If you move forward here on a bottom, okay, 7 records are there. If you like to take a new record, okay, you can directly come here and you can say new record, or you can use some of the buttons to operate your form. Okay, buttons to operate your form. How to operate the form? By using a button. Here we have a button option in a design. Button option is there here. Button option, 4x mark is there. Select that one and place where you like to keep your button. Okay, below this remark I would like to keep that button. Then I will say record operation, and say new, add a new record. Okay, that is the operation what I am going to do. And say next. I would like to add a text here. Go to new, then finish. Now add record has been created. So similarly, one more button we will create. Place the button here, record operation, save records, finish. Okay, here image has been taken. Okay, here image has been taken. Okay, if you like, if you don't want this one, delete. Image is not proper one, then select button, place here, record operation, save, next, text one, save record will be written, finish. Similarly, one more button is added here, record operation, save record, then next, text one, finish. One more button we will add here, form operation will take now. Form operation will say close the form. Okay, close the form, next, text one, finish. Okay, now it is there in a design mode. Now we have in a layout mode. To come back to a form mode, in the sense database mode, how to come back to database mode? We have to go to view, form view. We have to come back to form view. Okay, now you can see in a form view it is. Okay, if you like to add a new record, what we have to say here? New record. We can start writing a name. It will start creating a record. Okay, it will start creating a record. If you like to save this particular record, you can click on a save record. Okay, if you like to close this particular form, if you like to close this particular form, you can say close form. Like this it will ask yes, demo form only. Okay, like this it will be closed from your navigation here. Okay, if you like to get it back, we have to double click on that particular form. Okay, double click on that particular form to get it back. To close it one, here also right click and you can close. Okay, double click to open anything. It may be a your product, this table or table, anything. We have to double click, and if you like to close here, we can use a close button. Okay, this is the way we can create a form. It will be very easy to collect a data. No need to worry about a table form. Okay, here itself we can start creating a new record here, and we can give the details and say save record. Okay, like this we can operate a form. Once you have been done, we can say close form. Like this we can come out. Okay, for example, we'll select one entry, we'll do new record. Okay, we say, okay, we'll say save the record. Okay, then close the form. You can see that particular record will be updated. These particular records will be updated. Once you have to click on a refresh, those records whichever you have been tried to entry through the form, it will be recorded. Any record you would like to delete, select that one. Delete option is there here. Delete record. Yes, deleted. Okay, primary key you can update auto generated key also. Okay, like this we can update a record by using a forms. Okay, we can use a forms to update a records.